must be knowing him very well. He is our dear friend Nobita. Now, Nobita has a friend Doraemon, who is the 21st century robot, and Nobita and Doraemon are the best of friends. Doraemon always helps Nobita to get out of trouble. Now, one day, Nobita was being chased by his friends, and his friends were teasing him a lot. And Nobita was very sad. So, he went to Doraemon for help, and Doraemon gave him a magical invisible cape, and he told Nobita that if he wears that cape, then he would become invisible and his friends would no longer be able to chase him and tease him. And Nobita was very happy. This is how Doraemon helps Nobita to come out of trouble. So the main task or the main work is done by Nobita. He is the one wearing the cape, but he was helped by Doraemon. Similarly, in English language, there are some verbs called the helping verbs, which help the main verbs of a sentence to clarify better. So there are some main verbs like Nobita, which are helped by helping verbs, which are like Doraemon and the invisible cape. So let us look at this sentence. They watching a football match. Now, what is the verb in this sentence? In this sentence, verb is watching because verbs are action words. So watching is telling us about the action being performed. Watching a football match. What is the action being performed? Watching. So watching is a verb here. But this sentence does not tell us whether they are watching a football match or they were watching a football match. It does not tell us anything about the time period, whether they are watching a football match at present, that is right now, or whether they were watching a football match in the past. This verb watching tells us nothing about that. So we need another verb. Now if we add another verb, are is a form of be verb. So if I add another verb are here, they are watching a football match. It is very clear that they are watching a football match in the present. That is right now they are watching a football match. So this are helps us to know the time of this action. So watching is telling us about the action. So it is the main verb because it tells us about the action being performed. But are tells us about the time point. That is, when is the action happening or when was the action happening. So are is the helping verb. So are is the helping verb. Watching is the main verb. So there are two verbs in this sentence. If instead of are, we use were, they were watching a football match, the meaning of the sentence would change because it would mean that they were watching a football match in the past. They are not watching it right now. So the helping verb tells us the time of the action. Now if I remove the main verb, that is watching, then the sentence becomes they are a football match. Is it correct? Can people be a football match? No. So this is not correct because we don't know whether they are watching a football match or they are playing a football match. We don't know about the main action that is happening. So the main verb is missing here. So the main verb is important because it tells us about the main action that is taking place. And the helping verb, which is are, it tells us about the time. So the correct sentence is they are watching a football match, where watching is the main verb and are is the helping verb. So there are two types of verb. Main verbs are like Nobita, and helping verb, which are also called auxiliary verbs. They are like Doraemon along with the invisible cape. So they help the main verb. I am painting a picture. Now in this sentence, painting is the main verb. Painting is the main verb because it tells us about the main action taking place, painting. And there is another verb, am, which is telling us about the time of the action. Action is happening right now. So am is the helping verb or the auxiliary verb. If instead of am there was, I was painting a picture, then the meaning would change completely, because that would mean I was painting a picture in the past. I have painted a picture. Now in this sentence, once again, painted is the main verb because it is telling us about the main action, and have, which is a form of have verb. Have is the helping verb. So a verb that expresses the main action of a sentence is called the main verb. A verb which helps the main verb to express more clearly is known as the helping verb. And helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. So helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. So now can you identify the auxiliary verb in the sentence? The girl is eating. So first let us identify the main verb. What is the main action? The main action is eating. So eating is a verb. It is a main verb. Now apart from eating, there is another verb, is, which is a form of be verb. Now is telling us about the time period when the girl is eating. So it is helping the main verb by telling the time period of the action that is taking place. So is the auxiliary verb or the helping verb. What is the helping verb here? The girl has eaten. So first, let us see what is the main verb. Eaten, because it tells us about the main action. The girl has eaten. And helping the main verb is the auxiliary verb has, which is a form of have verb. The girl has eaten. So has is the helping verb or the auxiliary verb here. So we see that there are two types of verbs. One is the main verb, which tells us about the action, the main action being performed. It is like Nobita. And the other is the helping verb or the auxiliary verb, which helps the main verb by giving more information, by stating things more clearly. So helping verbs are like Doraemon with the invisible cape. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.